How to create an account in Among Us game. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Among Us game. After you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create an account, it's a very easy and simple process. All you need is your Gmail account, or you can even play anonymously. If you want to create an account using your Gmail, after you launch the app, you'll directly be prompted like this. It'll ask you to create your account. If you want to change it to a different Gmail account, you can tap on this. From here, you can select your other account. You can simply tap on it. If it does not have any game profile, you can create a new game profile here. After you select your Gmail account, you can tap on this next button. It will set up your gamer profile. You can select your preferred avatar and give your name. After that, tap on this next button. Now you can tap on this create button. You'll also need to sign in to your Google account, so you can tap on continue. You will need to set more information for your account. Enter your age first, and there you go. You've successfully created your account in Among Us game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.